Hello and welcome to this Micro Focus ZENworks ZCM video tutorial discussing the Appliance Administration Console for the ZENworks appliance. If you have not dealt with an appliance before, you may have questions regarding managing an appliance. If you're familiar with the most recent Micro Focus appliances for Filer, Service Desk, and so forth, you'll recognize similarities. Either way, hopefully you'll get a better understanding of the management options in the ZCM appliance. As an overview of this presentation, for the administration console on ZCM appliances, we'll cover the advantages for using an appliance model, where to go to get the appliance console and what it looks like, and finally resources available for you to use in configuring ZCM, and a short presentation video on the different tiles in the administration console. Advantages for the Common Appliance Framework model is standardizing the migration path. This allows for quicker upgrade processes as the product evolves to newer versions of the appliance and the base operating system. And the additional virtual disk helps with these quicker upgrades, minimizing downtime. Operating systems online updates can be performed or scheduled through the ZCM Online Updates channel, processed in the administration console. This also increases the product security by not applying unnecessary patches or updates and only applying services needed for the ZCM to function. Ability for backups and snapshots before upgrades, minimizing prep time before the upgrade itself. There is no charge for the operating system licenses. Faster product release cycles because enhancements and testing are done on a single platform instead of multiple platforms. Internally minted SSL certificates is standard and secures the website. Change control system downtime for upgrades is vastly reduced. The administration console on port 9443 in a common browser allows management of the appliance without additional Linux experience. And finally, using the appliance allows you to prop up a ZCM test zone environment quickly at no additional costs. The ZCM Appliance Administration Console is managed through a browser. Before powering up the VM appliance, you have to add a virtual disk, which is where most of the ZENworks content and system files reside. This makes future upgrades much easier. After powering up the VM and during the install of the appliance itself, the wizard will request a root and ZenAdmin password. This ZenAdmin user and password is for the ZCM administrator login to the administrator console, not into the ZCC or ZENworks Control Center. Once the appliance server is up and running, and the appliance VM will display the URL to the administration console for the Micro Focus ZENworks appliance. Again, that will be on port 9443. When you enter that URL and port, log in with ZenAdmin and the password that was used when configuring the console, then the main page for the administrator console will appear. But the first time in, it will force you to complete the ZENworks Configuration Management Zone. Whether it's the first primary server or adding additional primary servers to an existing zone, and then adding certificates, zone names, databases, etc. After the configuration of the system is complete, you can open port 9443 again, and you can manage and maintain the appliance server and ZCM components from a server standpoint. And you'll be presented with a series of tiles to configure and maintain the appliance configuration, which is the OS, and the ZENworks configuration. Now we'll cover that in a short demonstration of the administration console. As mentioned, the first time in, you'll be presented with a configuration wizard to complete the configuration of the zone. But now that the zone is up and running, we can see by logging in as ZenAdmin that you have the appliance configuration and the ZENworks configuration. You can configure your Ganglia configuration and do your Ganglia monitoring here. You can set default system services here, and the SSH has to be obviously enabled when you WinSCP or try to open up the terminal. We'll get to that in a minute. You could change your administration passwords. You have the ability to install field patches, and you have online updates. This is for the OS in particular, to be able to register the online update service channel with Micro Focus. You'll want to go to your Customer Center. Under Entitled Software, you'll see ZENworks, Novell ZENworks 2017. Here are your keys. You'll go ahead and copy that key. You can notice there's one for the appliance of ZENworks and there's also one for ZRS reporting. This is not a product license key. This is an appliance registration key for the online update channel. You'll enter your activation key in here, email address, and select register. This port to the channel has to be open on your network in order to go out and register with the online update and get the updates needed for this particular system. You can see here the online update patches required for this particular appliance. You can also see the installed patches. You can go ahead and update now. You can schedule daily, weekly, and monthly. If we select update now, it'll give us a prompt to automatically agree with all license agreements and automatically install interactive patches. Or you can do security patches only. In lieu of time, I'm going to go ahead and surpass doing this. We'll just go ahead and close. Notice the indicator of patches to be applied. Now for the ZENworks configuration, you can select and see what your configuration is for ZENworks on this appliance. You have your operating system, you have your hard disk drives, IP address and database, both audit and ZENworks. You also have basic configurations, which is configuring heap sizes and pool sizes and so forth. And advanced gives you even more details into the different files so that you can manage those as well. If we select Home and we go to Terminal and File Explorer, you'll notice we'll get an error because SSH service is not enabled. We'll go back, System Services, SSH. We're going to start that service. Now we'll go to the terminal and it'll come up. Now you have a command line right into the OS. You also have the File Explorer right into the OS. You can dig through different areas if you're looking for a particular log or file name. And you have the file structure here in File Explorer if you wanted to look at particular files. If you're looking for logs, we can go over to the logs directory, which you won't need to dig through to find the logs. You can go strictly to the ZENworks folder and you can see it automatically populates the path. And you can then open up the logs that you're looking for. You can tail by default. You can view from start, or you can download the logs directly from here. You can also specify to search and view just lines you're looking for. This will give me all the lines with the location configuration module. (100 of them). So this is a quick, easy way to find your logs, both OS, appliance, and ZENworks. You can review them right in the console. And this gives you your log configurations for your Zen server, your Zen loader, and your configuration files under the advanced. And finally, to open the ZENworks Control Center, you can select this tile right here so that you can log into ZCC itself. You can reboot or shut down directly from here. You can restart services, whether individual or all from the console. So if we log out and we log back in as root, you'll have some additional tiles like network time, storage, firewall, so that you can configure the OS, network time, storage, and firewall from the root password. This gives you a brief outlook on the configuration settings for an appliance administration console. Now that we've gone through a brief demonstration of the appliance administration console, we'll talk about some of the resources at your fingertips. Micro Focus ZENworks Configuration Management 2017 Update 3 Documentation Site. The Micro Focus ZENworks Configuration Management public forum where you can post questions and troubleshooting with your colleagues and ZENworks technicians to get answers to some of your questions. The Micro Focus ZENworks 2017 YouTube channel, which has a series of highlights and ZCM videos to help you understand how to manage components in the ZENworks zone. Micro Focus Ideas portal, where some of the best ideas have been posted by you so that we can enhance the product. The Micro Focus ZENworks 2017 Cookbook, which is a TID 7018169 to understand how to upgrade your zone to the latest version of ZCM 2017. In summary, we've discussed the advantages for the appliance model. We've also displayed the appliance administration consoles. We had a short demonstration, and we covered some resources. We hope this clears up some questions and gives a visual of what you can expect when managing a Micro Focus ZENworks ZCM appliance. Go to Micro Focus YouTube channels to view other videos on other appliances like the ZENworks Reporting Server or ZENworks Service Desk, which also has appliance consoles. This concludes the video showing the Micro Focus ZCM 2017 appliance console.